In this question, we are asked to find the area of the shaded region. So this shaded region is a triangle. So let us name this side as X. Also, let us name this BA as Y. So if we focus on triangle ACE, that is the shaded region, then its area can be written as half times the base, that means X, times the altitude, that is Y. Now our focus must be to find the value of X and Y. For that, let us focus on triangles ABC and CDE. If we compare them, we will find that this angle is 90 degree. So in triangle CDE, this angle is 90 degree. With respect to vertex C, this angle is equal to this angle because they are vertically opposite angle. So obviously this third angle will also be equal to this third angle. So in short, by angle similarity, we can say that these two triangles are similar. That means triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEC. From here we can write that AB upon DE equals BC upon EC equals AC upon DC. In similar triangles, the corresponding sides are proportional. So by that property, we can write this equality. Now let us substitute the values. So AB is given as Y, DE is equal to 5, then BC is 2, upon EC is X equals AC is this distance which is not known to us, so we will write AC only, and then DC. Now let us focus on this part of the equation. So if we cross multiply, X gets multiplied with Y and 5 gets multiplied with 2. So from here we will get X times Y equals 10. Now we can substitute this value of xy as 10 here in the area of the shaded region. So this will give us area of the shaded region is equal to half times 10. On simplifying, we get 5. So the area of this shaded region will be 5 square units. If you want to get more such videos, do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.